those treats. It makes them sticky. Do you remember?
Marshmello.
That's right. Yeah. Pretty good, isn't it? Do you want to give one of those to Penny?
No, Mommy wants some.
We want to give one to Mommy and one to me. And do you want to give one to Penny? No. She might get sick. What happens if she gets sick? Do you know what she eats when she gets sick? Remember, she eats grass. Yeah. And what happens after she eats grass?
She gets sick because she spit out stuff.
Yeah, she spits out stuff. And then after that, she feels better. When you get sick, do you eat grass? You do? And then you spit out stuff too? Wow. So you're just like a dog, huh?
Yeah.
Do you ever go to the doctor?
Yeah.
What does the doctor do if you go see him?
I feel better.
You do feel better? Well, I'm glad. You know,
Mommy reads stories that day because I'm going to lie down on doctor office.
oh, you get stories at the doctor's office your mommy reads to you? Well, that's good. That makes everybody feel better, doesn't it?